Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a leather travel journal with the Realeather Travel Journal Kit. Now the great thing about this kit is that you can customize the leather any way you want. You can tool it, or you can paint it with Realeather leather paint. It even comes with grid paper, sketch paper, and a calendar insert all ready to go, which you can change out at any time you want. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a leather travel journal. The Realeather Travel Kit would make an amazing gift, and it would be the perfect thing for you to take on your next trip. So make sure to check out realeather.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go see all of their amazing products. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.